We all think we're nice people, and when we're not nice, we can always justify it with a reason that it's because other people are not nice, and we're just defending ourselves. And then there are times where we think that it's in fact unnatural to not be angry when someone has upset us, that being spitting mad and swearing at people is the normal thing to do. We might also feel the need to unleash the ugliness in us to teach someone a lesson. We might really believe that being awful to someone is the way to getting them to change. The fact is, we can all act in whichever way we deem best, but the problem is we're assuming that our negative actions will get us positive results. But if we stop for a moment and think it through, we might realize that we have to first answer a few questions. The first is, logically, how effective would it be to use a negative action like anger to teach a positive action like love? The second, we can scare, threaten, and intimidate someone into good behavior. But will that truly change their attitude? And lastly, even if we don't care about the person changing for the better, do we care that we are changing for the worse? Because that's what happens when we justify using anger on someone. We get further and further away from being the best version of ourselves. And if we're not aware of this, one day we'll wake up and realize that no matter how hard we try to justify our actions, we have become someone we don't like. With each awful action we take, we can deny that we're turning into an awful person, but we can never lie to ourselves. And not liking ourselves is one of the main sources of unhappiness. Not choosing to behave awfully is choosing to be happy, always.